In the standing resisted right diagonal flexion in right AIC, you're going to start standing with your left foot on a band and then holding the band in your right hand. From here, we're going to think about pulling your shoulder blades together and down, unlocking that left knee, and crunching the left abs or side bending to the left. So we can get on that left heel and really shift that left knee back to get all the way on that left side. Keeping your left abs on, your left knee slightly bent with your left hip shifted back, and the weight on your left heel, you're going to take your right arm and bring it diagonally up and out with your palm side forward or out, as you can see here. You should feel the right lower trap or the inside kind of edge of the shoulder blade, but a little bit lower. Your neck's going to hold this position as you take your right leg, bring it forward, and rest your heel on the ground. This should pretty much unweight your entire right side. You should feel almost all of your weight on your left leg. And as a progression from this position, you can try taking your right leg off the ground and balancing on that left heel and left foot.